So, today's a very special day. Jaspreet is super pumped and excited.
I'm very excited today.
By that huge smile on her face.
Very excited.
And I'll let her explain why.
Today we are going to see my favorite animal in the whole entire world. Indy is kindly enough modeling this animal for us today.
Can we guess what it is?
We're gonna go see elephants.
That's right. We're going to elephant sanctuary.
I'm already getting a bit emotional.
Emotional?
Yeah, I just love elephants. Sorry, Karen.
So Jaspreet, we have ascertained that Jaspreet loves elephants. So we go to elephant sanctuary where we're going to look at elephants that have been taken from places, from tourist areas where they've been used for rides and chained, etc. These sanctuaries where they are looked after, well fed and allowed to roam freely rather than be sort of chained in captivity. So it should be quite interesting. We'll see a lot of rescued elephants there. Get to spend some time with them, feed them and bathe them. Hence we've got our sort of semi swimwear on because I think we're going to get pretty dirty. We're here, we've just arrived. I've got my bag of bananas to feed some of the elephants. You can see a few over there.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. So I almost cried seeing the elephants because I was that excited. And now we're gonna go meet some more. Indy is looking ravishing in his new attire today.
It's a bit tight. We fed them a lot of bananas now, and now we've got some delicious sugar cane. Keep one for myself over here, and the rest.
Oh, crunchy!
You can hug it, man. You can hug the
Go and hug him. Give him a cuddle.
Like, oh, give me another one for the cuddle.
He's happy.
Now, bananas, sugar cane, now some more food. This is for me.
So this guy is the oldest elephant here. He is 55 years old. He's very wise. That's why we're friends.
And it's been a wonderful experience so far. Jaspreet's going to have to bathe them soon, so she's got work cut out for her. She's going to have to make sure they're clean.
I just have no words. I'm so speechless. And as you can see, these elephants are roaming around freely. None of them have chains on them. None of them are being tied down. So they're just roaming around us freely, and it's amazing to see. This is how animals should be kept. So it's been a beautiful day.
Look at that right there. So it's starting to rain a little bit, just when we're about to give the elephants a bath. So a bit of nature's bath, but we've got to walk with camera, so we came ready, didn't we?
We did indeed.
now we're enjoying some lunch after cleaning the elephants up. Do you think you've done a good job, Jaspreet?
I think so, but I don't think we did a good job
bit of mud on your hair.
I seem to have some mud left in my hair.
But we've got a lovely view. We've got some fried rice.
And what a view.
What a view indeed. It's been an eventful day. What are your thoughts, Jaspreet?
This has been one of the most amazing days of our trip so far. It's just, yeah, it's been incredible. I'm still speechless. When else would you get to be with elephants this close up? And they're roaming around freely, they seem happy. So it's just, yeah, the best way to see them.
Definitely. I think when you compare it to just riding an elephant, it's not healthy for them. You're not really interacting much with the animal, whereas today you get time to feed them, bathe them, spend time with them. I think it's a much better way, much more sustainable and much more ethical. Now
sadly we do have to say bye to them because we have to head back. So bye bye elephants. Oh, she's saying bye.